There are 3 ways to pay at the meter. 1. Paying with coins. To begin, if you are parked at a double space meter, select your space by pressing the arrow pointing toward your vehicle. When the screen shows the correct space selected, press the check mark to confirm. If you are parked at a single space meter, skip this step. This meter is only for your parking space. Begin inserting coins to reach your desired amount. The display will show the time you have paid for. Once you've reached your desired time limit, make sure you hit confirm. Now you're good to go. Number 2, paying by card. Just like paying with coins, select which spot your car is in if you are at a double space meter. Use the plus button to add time and the minus button to remove time. Insert and quickly remove your credit card. To confirm, press the check mark and authorize the transaction. To cancel the transaction, press X. Number 3, paying by app. You can also pay with the free Park mobile app. In the app, locate the zone you're in, which can be found on the back of the meter, and simply follow the prompts to input your information to pay for your parking.